Hello viewers, now we will see how to set up new Angular project. Since we already installed Angular CLI, now what we need to do is type the following command: ng new and project name. So I'm going to create hello world project. So it will create a bunch of files and folders, and it will download the dependency libraries using npm. We can see it once the files and folders are created. You can see here it is trying to install packages using npm, installing packages for tooling via npm. So when the process is going on, once the project is set up, we need an editor to work on the project. So what we are going to do is we are going to install Visual Studio Code. So just type in code.visualstudio.com and download the Visual Studio Code editor and install the same. So I have already installed my Visual Studio Code. So this is the Visual Studio Code. So please install the same. Now you can see here the project Hello World got created successfully. Now just go to the folder Hello World. Hello World. So type cd Hello World and you are in Hello World location. Now in order to see whether Visual Source Code is installed successfully and open, we just need to type code dot. So let's see. So go to Hello World folder where you have created the project and type code dot. So it's successful and it's trying to launch Visual Studio Code. So once it is launched, we can see the project structure of Hello World. So if you see the project structure, the main thing we need to know is the source folder under which we have the app folder. These are the three files which we need to focus more: app components, CSS, HTML, and TS file. So in order to launch the project what we have created, what we need to do is we need to run one more command in our command prompt: ng serve. So this ng serve will deploy our project into node server and it will show the localhost URL that is required to be used. So in this, the important file is index.html and main.ts, and the other file is package.json, which will have the libraries that are required. This will have the libraries that are required, dependencies that are required for this particular project. Now you can see Webpack is compiled successfully and it has given the URL of localhost. So just type this URL type the URL into browser and we can see our first Angular program has been launched successfully. Thank you for viewing. Please subscribe.